My name is Mike Stevens. I'm engineering and design and sales with Dovetail Solar and Wind here in Ohio. We are the largest and oldest solar company in Ohio, and we have the privilege of working with Motorcars Honda in building the largest single solar structure on a car dealership in the country.
My name is Trevor Gile. I'm the general manager of Motorcars Honda in Cleveland Heights, Ohio. I'm proud to say that we're in the final stage of completing the largest singular structure solar panel in the country for any automotive dealership.
This is a 335,000 watt solar installation that will supply between 50 and 75% of the dealership's annual power consumption.
We decided to go green after it was brought to our attention about the options that are available for solar panels. We always thought that solar panels were the structures that you see where they kind of angle up, and when we found out there was options that would be more than just be able to provide solar, but also be able to protect our inventory, it started to mesh with us.
And we chose to use American-made components. Dovetail, we like to be able to have components available here in the United States at a competitive cost that we can also not worry about warranty issues. We're using SolarWorld modules. They're manufactured in Oregon. The racking is manufactured here in the United States. It's IronRidge. And the inverters are an Israeli product, but I believe they're manufactured here in the United States, SolarEdge inverters. So it's really a truly American, made in Ohio, made in America project.
One thing that we didn't expect would happen when we started the solar project is that it would expand to more than solar panels, about trying to save the environment and being green. And we've had different suggestions from different people, everything to where we now own bicycles for guests when they're in for service that they can take instead of a loaner car.
They use about $6,000 worth of electricity a month currently. We're going to cut that down to 3, possibly 2 to 1. And it just makes tremendous sense for them. The products themselves, we warranty the products for up to 25 years, and the expected life of this system is 25 years. So the dealership really has then control of their electrical costs for the next 25 years, which is a huge thing for them to be able to project what their costs are.
The project costs a little over $1.7 million, which for us was a major investment, but what we realized is that the solar panels was only half the expense. The other expense was the actual steel beam structures, but at that point that gave us the ability to have the covered lot and have a bunch of other benefits with it, and so that's where the additional money was worth it for us.
Solar works in Ohio. Ultimately, the bottom line is this is a business decision that had to make sense for the dealership. This project, the steel itself, the canopy structure itself, actually cost more than the solar system did. But it became an extremely worthwhile project for the dealership when they factored in all of the benefits that this structure will deliver to the dealership. And we're very excited about it to work with a really progressive dealer like Chuck Gile and his family to make this thing happen here in Cleveland.